It's August 7, 2018, and this is what's for dinner today. I have my homemade longanisa. I just made it into patties. And then I made ginatang sitaw at kalabasa. And of course, we're gonna pair it with brown basmati rice. Kain tayo! It's August 8, 2018, and this is what's for dinner. I made another batch of my longanisa. And now, remember nyo, yesterday we also had longanisa together with my ginataang sitaw at kalabasa, and the kids liked it, so I decided to make more. And this is our sausawan for that. We have some tomatoes with bagoong. I have some sunny side up eggs, and we're gonna pair it with our brown rice basmati. Kain tayo! August 10, 2018, and this is what's for dinner today. This is pork and vegetable curry with our white basmati rice, and I made homemade yema for dessert. Kain tayo!